Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com with your Tuesday morning market webcast. Okay, S&P 500. This is a 5-minute chart. This is getting out a little bit late today, and the reason it's getting out a little bit late is because we've been very active in the chat room, and we've been trading this daily lower band, what I like to call a channel day. Typically, at least once during the course of a secondary band ride that closes well below the lower band, okay? So basically on a daily chart, we had a band ride, we had the bull trap that we've talked about, and then yesterday was a full-on fail that closed well below. This orange line here is a second standard deviation lower band. What we saw this morning was a test of that area in the pre-market that failed. So what we did in the chat room was we set up a sell area and we took it down. We traded all the way down to 1965.75. And down in this area, one of the members of our team, Spring Hill Jack from channelsandpatterns.com, theartofchart.net, was looking at channel support in that 65.66 area. We took a ton of profits there. Some of our members were able to get long there. We were able to generate another buy area around the opening print. And what we're seeing now is we've seen a move above the upper level. We've established a bull bias, and now we're headed back towards the daily pivot. So as we head into the rest of the day, the two key areas to watch are this daily lower band. Is that going to go support and extend a move up to the daily pivot and beyond? Or are we going to break back down, maybe do a lower high there, and start to extend back down lower? It's going to be an interesting day, to say the least, to see how this plays out. But 84 is your key area. We've had a good short this morning. We've had a good long. We're still in a good long. We're not going to be over trading a lot. If you're flat, then you've really got to look at 84 and ask yourself, what's it going to be? Do you want to be support? Do you want to break again and stay resistance? How does that play out as we head into the lunch hour and into the afternoon? So I apologize that I didn't get anything out pre-market, but we were super busy. But I wanted to get something out today just to give you a little glimpse into what we've been doing this morning and, how we're looking for the end of the day. So everybody have a good rest of your trading day. Follow me on Twitter, Princeton Trader. Check out the website, PrincetonTrader.com. Come check out the chat room. You won't have to wonder what we're doing in the morning because you can be in there doing it with us. It's a great bunch of people. Come on in and check it out. Join me tomorrow afternoon after the close. We're going to do the weekly webinar. We'll talk about band rides. We'll talk about channel days. We'll talk about this setup. We'll talk about the failure of the weekly pivot on Monday. We got a ton to go over. I'm really looking forward to it. Should be a great Q&A session to go with the with the webinar. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.